443 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas. And the war still going on. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, new week Monday, December the 23rd, 2024. We have not so good news because we have only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the Sudoku, and the binary. Let me show you that we have no extra puzzles. Well, yesterday we have a weekend edition, no additional. Today also no extra puzzles, no additional. I think tomorrow, the day before Christmas Day, yes, we have the holidays coming. I think tomorrow there will be a lot of puzzles, but first we need to solve these 3 regular puzzles. The first one is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 9790. Yeah, 9790. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. That's a lot for a 3 stars puzzle. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with a 3 stars by the publisher. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 6 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the second row are numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 149, 149, 149, 149. Look, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. The only place level 1 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Okay. 9 in the third row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places level 9 should be here. Over there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 4 goes there. And a 9. Need a 9 here, and I need a 9 there. Well, will be difficult. Okay. Need a 1 here, 2, 3, need a 4 there. 5, 6, need a 7. Difficult. Need a 2, need a 4, need a 8. 8. Need 8 here. And I need 8 there. Well, the 8 should be in here. Then, okay. Alright. I need a 4 there. Ay. I need a 3 here. Come on. What's happening? Need a 3 there. Need a 1 here. 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. And 1 box left with a 6 in this big square. Should be there. And in the middle column, we have a pair. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have 3 and the 6 in in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in these two boxes. We have 3 and a 6 in that column, so no 3 and a 6 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in the middle column, or in this big square, for the 3 and a 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so on that row, there are only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left for 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. Oh, we already have a 6 here. Overlooked. Double 6, not so good. Let me delete this. Otherwise, we will make a mistake. Alright, I think we have all the 6s. Let me count. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6, okay. 1, you know, 1 here, okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have 1 and a 3 in the last row, so no 1 and 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3, okay. Then, let me see. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, okay. Then, 4 and 7. Come on, this is taking too long. How about the 2s? Need a 2 in here. Need a 2 there. 3. Need a 7 here. Need a 9 there. 9, okay. How about the 8? Need a 8 here. Need a 8 there. I need 8 here, so the 8 should be here. No 2. Here should be the 2. Here should be the 2. Come on. 5, 3, 6. Need a 3 here. 6, 1. 3. No 3. No 3. The 3 should be here. Yeah. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 1 of missing numbers. The 3, we have 3 in the first row. No 3 there. Here, give me 3. We have 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. So the 3 in this column could be here. Could be there. Here we have a 3. Here we have a 3. So the 3 in the last row should be there. Okay. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in one of those boxes in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 3. I need a 2. 2, 3, 4. 8. Come on. Need a 5 here. Two. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in this box. 4 in the middle row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. We have a pair. The 3 and the 4 in the first column, the 3 and the 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left on the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4, 4, need a 4 here. Okay. In this column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, these are 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. Here we have 5 and 8. So 1 digit left. I believe the 1 is missing here. Yes, the 1 is missing. Alright, with all the ones. And all the ones are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Okay, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here, 1 there. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 1 box left now in the second column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Here 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Okay, 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Oh, 9 and a 5, we already have a 9 here. Oh, overlooked, so we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 2 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, middle row, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 5 should be there. 5 and 8. We have a 5 now in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this row, last row, 8 in the row above, so that row only place level 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.